Hello everyone friends, on the Kala Weller. Today I will show you what to do if the Rockstar Games Launcher does not turn on or does not open as you like. To begin with, let's try to throw it into the antivirus exception. To do this, you need to go to Start, click on Settings. Next, we will have to go to Privacy and Security here to find in Windows Security. Go in, more precisely. This is where we find Windows Entry Protection Virus. What is it? Let's go, yes, protection against viruses and threats if translated, yes. And here we will need to add accordingly an exception. To do this, click Manage Virus and Threat Settings. Yes, Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down. We have exceptions here, yes. Before I add exceptions, I need to find my way to my launcher. To do this, right-click on the launcher, click on Open File Location, yes, and accordingly we need to copy this path, this one. I have the e-launcher disk here. Click Add respectively exceptions, click Yes. A window will pop up there, click Add Exception, click Folder here, paste our path here, press Enter and click Select Folder. That's it. Accordingly, after that, close this tab and try to launch the launcher. And if that doesn't work, let's try another way. You can right-click on the icon, click Open File Location, and accordingly add to our launcher. Right? Click here and add a bottom underline respectively, and then run it as an administrator. Right-click and click Run as Administrator. That's it. Well, it starts in this way as a whole, but I don't need it now. In general, what else can be done? And by the way, it may be because of Win, because of Van Drive. This is the theme in short on Windows. I've already deleted it, but if you have it, you need to go to Settings, go to Applications here, find it here, go to Installed Apps, and write OneDrive here without a space, I think. If you have OneDrive here, yes, then you just delete it. Well, if you don't use it, of course, that's all. Usually this solves the issue. Weller was with you, like, subscribe to the channel. Bye, everyone.